Ball. If pass to 3, steal. Pass to number 17. 17. 2 points. 8. Pass to number 19. Pass to corner. Jump step, pass to number 19 again. Number 19, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 19 again. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 3, pass to number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound, put back, no good. Number 4, 2 points. Okay. Number 6, pass to number 19. Pass to other, pass to corner for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4, still by Lady. Lady, step back. 2 points. Number 17. Dribbling the ball. Steal. Foul. It's foul left number 17. And pass to D. D. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, pass to number 17. Pass to number 5. Fake. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 4. Number 4, 2 points by number 4. Pass to number 6. Number 6. For elbow 3, no good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 5. Number 5, bringing the ball, driving to the basket. Wow, it's foul left number. Inbound pass to number 17 for 3, no good. Air ball. To number 4, shooter big one. Number 10, no good. Rebound by David. 2 points by number 4. Number 3, pass to number 5. Pass to number 3. Steal by number 10. Steal by number 5. Pass to number 3. Foul. It's foul left number. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 5. Moving the ball. Setting the play. Screen. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 2. Driving. Out remaining. Pass to number 3. Cross pass to number 10. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 3. Pass to 17. 17, pass to corner number 2, pass again to number 17, foul, lose ball left number 19, and then by number 17. No good. Number 16, still by number 17, pass to number 3, pass break, 2 points. Dribbling the ball, pass to 28. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number. Steal. Number 16. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 3. Steal. By number 3. Fouls. Foul left number. First and then by number 3. No good. Second attempt. Basket is good for the play. Number 3, Kelvin, steal. Pass to number 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. No good again. Rebound by number 16 again. No good. Rebound by number 3. 2 points by number 3. Number 17, steal. Rebound by number 17. Pass 2. No good. Rebound by number 17 again. 17. No good, rebound. Steal by number 16. 16. 2 points by number 6. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 17. Then to shoot. Number 17, steal. Number 3, pass to number 16. 2 points. To number 5. Number 3 again. Steal. Outside. Pass to number 17. 17. Pass to number 4 no good. Rebound by number 17, 2 points. Second personal foul. Warning for pass number 3. Pass to 16 for 3. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to Warner. Outside. 16-7 to play. To number 3, no good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Please. Number 17. Taking. Steal. Number 3, pass to number 1. No points. Number 3, moving the ball. Pass to number 17. Taking. Pass to number 3. Pass to corner, no good. Rebound by number 4, pass to number 5. For 3, no good again. Rebound by number 10, pass to number 8, steal. Number 17, pass to number 18. Number 18, dribbling the ball, steal. By number 8. Number 8, steal by number 17. 17, pass to number 4. 2 points by number 16. 16. 2 points. Number 3. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 17. Steal by number 16. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Outside. Pass to number. Steal by number 18. Pass to number 3. Number 3 down to the basket, no good. Rebound by number 4, pass 2, steal by number 8. Number 8, pass to number 1, no good. Rebound by number 17. Driving, wow, who's foul left? Number 10. No good again by number. No good. Rebound by number 10. 16, pass to number 8, pass to number 3, for 3. Basket is good by number 3. For 3. No good, rebound by number 10. Moving the ball, pass to number 16. Number 16, foul, it's foul left by number. Second of them. No good, rebound by number 0, pass to number 10. Pass to number 3, pass to number 16. Ready for substitution. 16, foul! One shot to number 16. Basket is good. 18. 18 pass to number 17. Biggie. Pass to number 4. Steal to number 8. Number 8, giving the ball pass number 16. 1 minute remaining. Number 18, pass number 2, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot, number 2. Pass number 18. 5 to shoot. Outside, single. 4 seconds to shoot. Pass number 15. For 3. No good. Rebound number 8. Giving the ball. Pass number 10. No good. Rebound number 10. Number 10. Third shot. No good again. Rebound number 10 again. No good. Rebound number 16. No good again. Rebound number 0. To number 3. No good. Rebound number 18. 18, giving the ball, pass to Werner, for 3, no good rebound by number 8. Pass to number 2, steal by number 16. 27 seconds. 17, driving to the basket, 10 seconds. Baking. 7 seconds to shoot. Basket is good by number 8 for 3. For 3. Pass to number 0. Number 0, no good. Rebound by number 3. 18. Pass to number 2. Steal by Rebound pass to number 1. Number 1. Steal by number 8. Foul. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 18. Driving to the basket. Foul. It's foul ref. No good by number 18. Number 0. Winning the ball. Pass to corner. Number 9. Steal by number 8. Number 17. To number 5. Pass break. 2 points by number to number 0, 2 points by number 0, 17. Pass to number 2, foul, loose foul ref. Number 17, 17. Pass to number 5, foul, loose foul ref. Number 0.
Klaro na.
For 3. Basket is good. Moving the ball. Driving. On a move, 2:32-23. Figure of Los Hermanos. Foul. Who's foul ref? No good. No good. Rebound to number 0. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 0 again. 8 minutes remaining. Pass to number 6. 15 to shoot. Steal by number 18. Number 18. 2 points by number 8. Foul. Who's foul left? First team foul. Substitution. Day pass to Day again. Day. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 9. Number 6, Day. Foul. Pass to Day. Day driving to the basket. 2 points. Pass to 18. 18. Crossover. Driving. Pass. No good. Rebound. Number 9, number 8. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 6. Day. No good, rebound by number 6. Number 6, pass to number 19, no good. Number 0, number 17. Pass to number 18. 18 dribbling the ball. Pull up, 2 points by number 18. Pass to number 8. The number 0. The number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Day. Los Hermanos. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Number 18. Pass to number 18 again. Faking. Driving to the basket. Foul. It's foul ref number. Pass number 3, steal by number 18. Number 18, driving to the basket. 2 points by number 18. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0. Number 0, steal. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 18. 2 points. 18 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 19. To number 10. Number 10, no good. Rebound by number 18. Steal by number 10. Counted. No good. Rebound by number 10 again. Number 10, no good. Rebound by number 19. Pull up, 2 points. Number 19. For 3. Basket is good. Number 8. Pass to number 6. Day. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Number 18 pass to number 17. 17. 17, 2 points by number 17. Our score is all 40. Fast break to number 8, 2 points. Pass to number 5. Number 5 still. Same ball. Looking for substitution number 5. Back for 5. Number 19, pass to number 28. Pass to number 3, pass to number 10. To number 28. To number 19. To number 10, still to number 18. Still, pass to number 10. Number 10. Number 10, no good. Rebound by number 17, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 18. Number 18, driving, no good. Rebound by number 17, no good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 8, cross on the move. Still big number. Jump ball. Pass to number 15. To number 18. Number 18, bringing the ball. And number 17. Number 17. Outside. Number 15, bringing the ball. Pass to number 10, pass to number 28. Pass to number 3 for 3. Basket is good by number 3. Our score is 45, 17. Pass to number 15 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 10, foul. Basket is good. Pass to number 8, no good. Rebound by number 17. 17, bringing the ball. Number 3, still. Last break. 2 points. 18. 18. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to. No good. Then number 4 again. Foul. This foul. Ready for substitution. Basket is good by number 4. No good. Pass to number 19. Number 19. No good. 16. Inbound pass to number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Steal by number 16. Number 16. Setting the play. Number 16. To number 28. To number 16. To number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. 17. Pass to number 18. Foul. With foul right number. Second attempt. Basket is good. Number 16. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 3 for 3. Basket is good. Number 17, pass to number 4, pass to number 15. Number 15. Still by number 16. Number 16, foul. Where's the red number? Number 6, pass to number 28, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 28, pass to number 10 again. Foul. It's foul. Second attempt. No good. Rebound by number 10 again. Number 10 pass to number 16. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. 2 points. Number 18. Driving to the basket. Cross pass. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Foul. It's foul right number. Basket is good. Driving. Pull up. 2 points. 17 winning the ball. 17. Pass to number 18. No good. Rebound by number 4. Foul. Second attempt. No good again. Rebound by Steve by number 3. Steve by number 28. Pass to number 10, number 10. Driving to the basket. Block by number 4. Pass to number 3. Steve by number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 3 for 3. Pass number 18. Number 18 shooting the ball. Driving. Corner number 18. Step back. No good. Rebound by number 3. Driving to the basket. Basket is good. Pass to number 18. 5 to shoot. Steal by number 16. Steal by number 18. Pass to number 6. Number 16, traveling by the number 17, for 3. No good, rebound by number 6, Day. Day driving. Pass to number 8, pass to number 6 again, for 3. No good. Number 18. Number 18, 2 points. Number 18. Number 18, no good, rebound by number 8. Number 8, driving to the basket. 2 points. 2 points. 16, number 17. Number 17, no good. Pass to number 16. Number 16, driving to the basket is good. 2 points. Number 18. Number 18, 2 points. 15, favor of Los Hermanos. Pass to number 16. Pass to Warner Day. Count there. Foul. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Number 18. 15 to shoot. Traveling by number 3. Pass to number 18. Number 18. 2 points. And then pass to number 16. Pass to number 8. For 3. No good rebound by number 5. Deal. To number 28. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Outside. Number 3. Pass to number 5 for 3. Number 16. Pass to number 28. To number 16. Number 16. No good. Rebound by Day. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Pass to the corner, pass to number 18, number 18, Euro step, 2 points. Number 9, pass to the corner, Green, 2 points. To number 18, faking, driving, steal by number 6. Number 6, no good, rebound. Put back, no good. Rebound by number 17. 17, outside. Pass to number 28, driving to the basket. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 5, pass to number 3. 15 to shoot, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 4. To number 5, no good. To number 5 again, no good again. Rebound. Number 5, foul. No good by number. No good again. Rebound by number 28, pass 2. Deal number 3. Number 3. Number 3 pass to number 17. Number 17. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3 pass to number 18. Number 18. 2 points. Number 6, Day. What a move. 2 points. Number 3. To number 17. to number 3, to number 18. Number 18. 18 pass to number 17 for 3, no good. Rebound pass to number 9. 19, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, driving, foul, was foul ref number. Ready for substitution for 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Driving, scores by number 17. 17, 2 points. Number 10, pass to number 6. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Number 6, pull it off, no good. Rebound to number 6 again, 2 points. Number 17, pass to number 18. Number 17 for 3. No good. Rebound. Driving. Two. Number 3, pass to number 5, 2 points. Number 28. 28. 28, no good. Foul, lose foul ref. Second shot. No good. Rebound by KD. Pass to corner number 0. Pass to number 19, pass to number 0. Number 17. 17. Pass to number 4, pass to number 5. No good. Rebound by outside. Dribbling the ball. Number 3, for 3. No good. Foul. Lost foul ref number 0. Number 3, pass to number 17. Basket is good. Number 3. Pass to number 3 again. 2 points. Number 18. 2 minutes remaining. Number 18. No good. Driven by number 3. Pass to Day. Driving to the basket is good. 17. 17. For 3. No good. Rebound. And number 18. Foul. Basket. No good. Rebound. Steal. No good. Outside. 18. Pass to number 3. For 3. No good. Rebound by number. Pass to number 13. Number 13, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Number 18 driving to the basket is good. Good pass. Day. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 9. 5 to shoot. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Day again. Whoa, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Block. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 8, no good. 15 to shoot. Day, no good again. Rebound by number 3. 10 to shoot. Number 3. 5 to shoot. Number 3, very good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 2. 17, pass to number outside. Number 8, pass to number 16. Pass to number 13, pass to number 16 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 18. 18 dribbling the ball, pass to number 17. For 3. No good, 3 by number. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Alley pass. No good. 3 by number 30. Pass number 8. Number 8. No good. 3 by number. Number 0. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 16. Pulled up. No good. 3 by number 8. 30 number. No good. Wow. It's power. No good. 3 by number 4. Outside, 16 dribbling the ball pass number 3 for 3. No good, 3 by number 4 outside. Pass to number 16, pull up, 2 points. Number 3 pass to number 17. Number 17, property violation. Crossover, driving to the basket is good, 2 points. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Outside. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 28. Number 3. Number 3, no good. Rebound by number 0, no good again. Rebound by number 3, 2 points. Number 3. Number 3, pass to number 18. 18 jump step. Driving. What a move! 2 points by number 18. Pass break. Outside. Number 5. To number 17. Pass to number 3. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. 16. 2 points. 17. Still. 17. Pass to number 3. To number 18. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 28. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. No good. Rebound by number 16. 6 minutes. Pass to number 28. Corner 3 for 3. Basket is good. Number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 5 for 3. Number 0 fouls, foul ref number 2. 10, number 10, no good. Rebound, number 17. Number 17, still by number 16. Pass to number 10, 2 points. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 5, still by number 16. Number 16, pass to number 10, no good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, number 8, 2 points. To number 10, no good. Number 18. Pass to number 4, pass to number 16. Still by number 5. Number 5, pass to number 18. Number 18, wow, was on the left. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, driving to the basket, no good, rebound by number 0. Number 16. 16, pass to number 8. To number 10, for 3. No good. Pass to number 18, ready for substitution, number 18. Number 18, pass to number 4, still to number 16. Big move, pass to number 10, Baby. Pass to number 0, rebound by number 0, again, 2 points by number 0. To number 8. Number 8, pass to number 10.
Pasa din pala eh.
No good. Pass to number 17. To number 5, for 3. Number 9, pass to number 16. Day. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number. So number 16 to number 6. Number 6. 3 seconds. Number 17. Pass to number 8. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number. Number 6. Number 28. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 17. Number 5. Number 18. Number 18. 2 points by number 18. Number 6. Number 6. Wow. Loose ball left. Basket is number 17 for 3. Basket is good. Steve dripping the ball. Wow, loose ball left number 17. Number 17. And warning for penalty. Pass to Day.
May bagyo pa
2
naman.
minutes. Day. 2 points by Day. Still. Pass to number 16. Pass to 28. 2 points. To number 8. Foul is not. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 3. No good. Number 10. Pass to number 6. Day. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Step back. Pass to steal by Day.
Pasa!
Day. Binakaw. 2 points. 17. 17. Steal by number 10. Number 10, 2 points by number 10. Number 3, no good rebound by Day. Pass break by number 9, number 9, 2 points. 17. Wow. 20 seconds. Number 28, 2 points. 15. Outside. Number 9. For 3.